I was so sure of our love. I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a collab that I'm doing with a bunch of incredible, awesome, amazing women. It is a collab that was kind of put together and organized by Summer, which her channel is It's Always Summer. Yeah, it was organized by her. She's an awesome lady. But anyways, it is the Unicorn and or Mermaid Challenge. When I thought of unicorn, I was like, and how do I make myself look like a unicorn? Or what's a unicorn look? But whenever I thought mermaid, my imagination went wild. So I do have an image of what I want. I even kind of sketched it out, and we'll see if it turns out that way. I hope it does, but I thought I would show you guys my process. All the information for everybody else that is also participating in this collab is down below in the info box, so make sure and go check out every one of them, because I guarantee you there will be some incredible, creative, beautiful, eclectic, every adjective that I can come up with. There will be that kind of look, because everybody has their own cool things that they do and talents, and so you'll get to see all of that. So make sure you check everybody out. Like I said, in the info box, all that information will be there for you. So since this is more than likely going to be a very long process, say a prayer for me. I'm going to put it on fast forward because, yeah, otherwise this is going to be a really long video. So enjoy watching my creative process manifest before your eyes. Here I go.
I was so sure of our love. I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us, and now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, and nothing to know. I thought that I could keep it low, take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low, take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy. And you know how to forget all the wrongs and every reason why we've changed. And there's a storm inside my head, it's getting me in trouble, baby, and I can't break away. I thought that I could keep it low, take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low, take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy. sure of our love. I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us, and now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, and nothing to know. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy. And you know how to forget all the wrongs and every reason why we've changed. And there's a storm inside my head, it's getting me in trouble, baby, and I can't break away. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy. I was so sure of our love. I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us, and now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, and nothing to know. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy. And you know how to forget.
All right, guys, so this is what I came up with. I'm going to show you my inspiration drawing, which is a lot cooler Yeah, I'm that kind of nerd. I really wanted to have some purple and pink with some netting right there with some scales, but it just didn't work out. And I think that I'm going to leave well enough alone. I got my mermaid tail in the middle of my forehead. I got me some straight up ginormous mermaid eyelashes and some pretty glittery lips. So I'm good. I mean, how can you not be good with green glittery eyebrows and pink everywhere? Anyways, this was so much fun. I can't wait to see everybody else's looks. I know they're going to be incredible. I hope you enjoyed watching this crazy process, because you could see it was a whole bunch of trial and error, right? Mostly error. But overall, I'm really happy with what I ended up with. Like I said, I got my mermaid tail, and that was the most important thing. So here's an up close and personal. I don't know if you can see any of the white that I used, but yeah, I like it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you go and check out the other girls and support their channels, because they're all incredible and amazing, and all those awesome adjectives that I said earlier in the video. Yeah. I ordinarily upload on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. When I have a live stream, it's usually on Wednesdays at 6 o'clock p.m. But I would imagine over the next coming weeks that are going to be extremely busy, there aren't going to be many live streams, and there may not even be 3 videos a week. So all I can ask is that you'll bear with me through this really busy time at the end of my school year, and I'll get things up as soon as I can. Alright guys, this is it for me. I hope you enjoyed watching my insane process. Please make sure you look down in the info box and go check out the links to all the other girls' looks. I can't wait to see them myself. I know they're going to be incredible. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, that's me swimming. Take care and God bless. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you, I ordinarily upload on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I don't know what day it is again.